Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share magic of eggplant, that is Baba Ganush or Mutabbal, for which I have given a very easy name as eggplant raita or eggplant salsa. Today I will be showing you two different ways in which this eggplant can be made. So now let's get started. I have taken two eggplants. They are nice large eggplants. You can see I am giving deep slit all over the eggplant. Nice, give a deep slit so that you can pierce few garlic pods, how much ever you want. I will be taking 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Even if you are not piercing garlic, you have to give this slit so that it doesn't burst while it is getting baked. You can bake this, grill this, or even on stove top. You can just simply cook on open gas. If you have open grill, that is also perfectly fine. On gas stove, you will be able to do it very quickly. But today I will be baking it. For me, that is very easy. I don't have gas stove at home. I have electric stove, so I chose to bake it. I will be baking it for approximately 45 minutes at 450 degree Fahrenheit. This is another type. This, if you have electric stove, you can also do this way, but this takes a little longer time and we have to constantly stand by the side and keep rotating it, which I feel difficult when I have an oven. So I will be shifting again to the oven. If you have gas stove, very quickly it will be baked. One important thing what you should see is they should be nicely tender and soft so that your Baba Ganush will be perfectly fine. See, all garlics have popped out by itself. I will be keeping it aside. Only thing to remember is the eggplant should be nice soft. If you touch the eggplant, you will know that it is done. If you feel anything hard, that means it is not done. You have to cook it for some more time. These eggplants, few eggplants will have lot of seeds and few will have less seeds. I have taken two eggplants. You can see in one we will be having less seeds. The second one I am showing is with less seeds. And the first one has lot of seeds. I will be removing the seeds and I'll be discarding it. Little of the seeds are okay, but lot of seeds I will be removing it. You can see everywhere like cluster it will be there. You can easily remove it, so no worries. After removing the eggplant seeds, you just have to scrape. It will be so easy to remove if you have baked it or grilled it or on stove top you have done it perfectly fine. Easily it will come out this way. We don't want any liquid which is getting released out of it or the seeds or the skin. All that I will be discarding. Only the light colored pulp I will be taking. Also the little dark color is where all you have seeds. The pulp will be little dark. That is also okay, no worries. Now you can see I have removed enough pulp out of these eggplants. These eggplants, one will be male and one will be female. I don't know exactly. If anybody of you know about it, can please let me know in the comment box. In male or female, any one I see lot of seeds. For finding out that, I don't know what is the exact way to find out. While buying itself, if you know it, you can buy it correctly so that you will have less seeds. This one of my friend told me, but I don't remember exactly what she told me. Now many people, what they do is they just put it in the chopper or blender and just have one pulse. But that makes it too fine, which I don't like. I will just give a chop like this, which will be perfectly fine for me. If you have a hand blender also, you can just run it one blend. That will also be good. Now I have just chopped it roughly like this way. and I will be dividing it into 2 bowls. I will be showing you 2 different methods of preparing this Baba Ganush or mutabbal. At the end I will tell which is the best tasted one, and that is my favorite too. The first one will be with the help of yogurt. Now I have added the roasted garlic. In the first one I am making, I added the roasted garlic. To that I will be adding 1 tablespoon of tahina paste and 1 cup of yogurt. As much as yogurt you want, you can add in this. But you should keep in mind that the yogurt should be very fresh. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and Zeera flavor is the best. Don't go for pepper. And little bit of salt to taste, and lemon juice. Lemon juice also very little, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon around I am going to add. To that I will be just giving a good mix. Remember, the yogurt should be very fresh. As we are adding yogurt, I name it as eggplant raita. This now next what I am going to add here is fresh cream. This is my option or my twist I am giving here. I am just adding 1 tablespoon of fresh cream so that the yogurt will not become sour even if you keep in the fridge for 1 day or 2 days. This will give nice creamy and delicious taste. So give it a try and let me know. I have just added a little bit of coriander or parsley, you can choose. Give it a good mix, and our eggplant raita is now ready. Next I will be making the mutabbal or Baba Ganush, that is eggplant salsa. I have given the name as salsa. These 2 things are very easily understood. For salsa we will not be adding the yogurt or tahina paste, whereas I am adding onions, tomatoes, coriander, and this is green chilies, finely chopped, very finely chopped after discarding the seeds. And the remaining lemon juice I am adding. In this you can add more lemon juice also. Here I am using fresh garlic. Just grate it and add. If you like more garlic flavor, you can add little more also. Salt to taste, and olive oil. Olive oil also you can increase and decrease according to your requirement. Just give it a good mix, and our eggplant salsa is also ready. Both this eggplant salsa and eggplant raita are very delicious. They can be just simply taken with any pita bread, paratha, naan, or even chapati. You would have seen in my Mediterranean grilled restaurant we visited. There, this is my favorite dish which I always never forget to take. So do surely give it a try. Just you have to drizzle olive oil on both. I am just going to drizzle olive oil, and you can choose anything, just a little bit of tomato, onions, coriander or chili flakes or anything of your choice. Among these 2, my favorite is eggplant raita. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.